What's up, YouTube? Today we got something pretty good in store for you. My brother he's got him a lawnmower, an old one. That's broke or whatever. It's not the greatest shape. It don't have a deck on it. He took it off and he's just running this thing around all over the place. It's hilarious. I'm gonna get some clips of it because it's funny. It's funny to watch him. He's just driving through the woods. He's just driving this little lawnmower everywhere. But we'll get some clips for y'all. Hold this. That was a good one. Do it again. Do it again. Yeah, that was a good one. Yeah. You're gonna kill it. No. It died. Should be coming around the corner any minute. There he is. Get it! Golly, that's steep. Oh man, I can't believe he's done that on lawnmower. Where'd he go? He's just cutting it through the field. He's just getting it up to there. Man, I wish it was muddy today. It'd be so much funnier if it was muddy. It's alright though, it's completely dry. It's still hilarious. Next time it's muddy though, we'll definitely get some clips of him doing donuts on that thing. You're gonna find it in a minute. There's a big old rut right here. He's trying to find it. I think you found it. Look at you. You are stuck. Oh my God. No way you just done that. No way you made it out of there. There is no way you just made it out of there. You bottomed out the whole time. How did you make it through there? How did you do that? I don't know. You was completely sideways. You was dragging bottom. I cannot believe that just worked. That's crazy. He's gonna get so stuck. I already know it. Look at him bouncing. Yep. You done there, boy. All right, boys. We just found us a good old chain. Oh, buddy. Oh, yeah. Yeah, we're going to get this thing pulled out with the 4Runner. I could pull it out with the dirt bike, but I don't think I'll have anywhere to hook it with, but this ought to work. Your gap, go a little bit farther. Maybe right there. We got her wrapped around in the only spot we can find. Hooked her right on up. This old boy's it's gonna be sketch here, Colton. All right. Ready?
Yeah, be careful.
I gotta figure out a way of filming it and doing it. All right, ready? This is two-wheel drive. You may get muddy. You ready?
Easy.
I didn't know how much slack was left. Ready? You ready?
Yeah.
Oh yeah, look at that. Easy. Here, let me back it up. I'll lose some. Like a charm. That was easy.
I can almost go through it again.
Look at you burying that crap. I can't believe you buried the crap out of that thing. Look at that hole you dug. Oh my God. That's great. Get it! Woo! Get it! Oh yeah! Three-wheeling! Oh, my phone! Ah! I'm gonna drop my phone! We're going through the woods! Something sounds like it's popping over here. Oh, here we go through the big weeds, sis. Hold on. Oh, this is gonna be rough. Oh my God. Oh. Don't bottom out, please. You're dragging right now. Good Lord, sis. Oh my God, that thing is so loud. Well, boys, he straight popped it. Got no muffler on it anymore. You see it keep playing. Ready? Yeah. Holy crap! Oh my God! That's louder than my truck! Oh my God!